I'm removing the pins. This is the easiest way to do it. Okay, and done. I have to do them like this now. Yep. Who thought to twist them like that? This guy must really hate me. Fucking.
The Chinese will.
Yeah, a
hate
Chinese
you
guy in a
for
factory
sure.
right now. He sees me say, hey, I did it. And we also need the yellow signal, else the fan won't work. So, an old saying says, before you do anything, you measure twice. And I'm going to do that exactly. Κάτι τζιριτό ακούω,
Κάτι τρίτο.
Yep, correct. Ένα τζιτζιριτό ακούω. And the fan is working.
Το τρίτη πρέπει να κάνεις κι άλλο,
Yes. Now we have to shut it down and make the same to the second one. It's easy to remove the pins like that. Okay. Okay. The black here. The negative or reference signal here. I only need reference. Okay, found it. It's on the bottom. It needs to go like this. Do some cable management here. No, first I'm gonna install this. Okay. So it's here. See it? And I need to do some cable management. The reason that the fan doesn't work is because it is defective. Yeah, good. Yeah, before you install the fans, you have to check that they work. Κράτα τον όμως γιατί θα πάρει πρόσεξε πως θα το κρατήσει, να μην... Από πάνω είχαμε δώσει ανάποδα, μήπως θέλει και αυτός να πάξει μια γέρη έτσι για να... Ωραία, για δώσω. Ωραία, please. So this fan is working and we need to replace. Oh man. So I'm installing the new fan right now because the older one is defective that I used. The other one. Yeah. So I'm gonna try. Thankfully I bought 3 of them. It's tough to do the screws for the first time because they actually open the path. Okay. And let's do again the procedure. Okay. I hope that it works. So, red goes in the corner. yellow in the middle with a new arrangement. And it's tough to walk here, but okay. I can manage to do it now. Biki. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Yes.
Για βάλει πάνω το ρεύμα.
Yes. Finally. Both ends are working. I will try the blue signal. It might need to see the blue signal. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I remember the problem where it was. This stupid UPS needs fans with very high speeds. And the fact is that the only compatible fan is the one from the factory. And good luck finding one like this. So you need to make a PCB. I remembered now what I did to fool the fan that it spins, to fool the UPS to think that the cooling fans spin at very high speeds. Even if you install some high speed fans like the Delta that I used, still the UPS shows an error and this very annoying noise that it makes. So I'm sorry guys, there is no way to change the fans without building this simple PCB. What I did now, I have installed two cooling fans, right? So I give them 12 volt through the red and the black wires, and I have a common yellow fan speed signal that goes through this PCB. It speeds up and it goes to both headers for these fans. So the UPS provides voltage as normal to the cooling fans, and it thinks that the fans spin at very high speeds. And it works without providing this 58 error, which means fan speed failure. In other words, the UPS has a circuit that checks the fan speed. If it feels that the fan speed is lower than the specs, it shows an error and the annoying noise. It is very difficult to change the fans in CyberPower UPS in general. I don't know why they made this so difficult. It's also very difficult to find the default, the stock fans. And I'm not sure even if you find them at what price you will find them. Probably the price would be too high. The only option, as I see it, is to find some used fans, but again, used fans, you don't know for how long they will operate depending on the previous usage that they had, and in general it's not the best option. The only thing is that if you have a failure, and these are expensive UPS, this UPS goes for around 1,000 euros, I think, 800, 1,000, somewhere like that. So it isn't the UPS that you get and once the fan stops to operate, you just throw it away. You need to find a way to keep it running for as long as possible. And the only thing to do that is to build a simple PCB like that. I will provide the schematic of this PCB. It's very easy to make, it's nothing. And you just fool the fan signal and everything works fine. Now it started without a single error. That is all. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. We'll have a Discord server, Patreon page if you want to support us, and until the next video.